Hi everyone, it's Trading Mythbusters, and today we are testing order block trading strategy which is popular on YouTube. We will use this video with almost 400,000 views as base. So we will first need to know what is order block. You may see this here on a screenshot. We have some kind of a downtrend and then a reversal, and it happens in this candle. So we take these candles low and high and we consider it an order block. Then price goes up and then later we expect it to go down, and at this point we enter either long or short. And here are final results of backtesting. We will discuss them in the end. Now let's check our code, starting with some config files. First is config.json. It's a basic configuration file for FreakTrade Python package. Next, backtest.json. It's a file that specifies some parameters for our trading logic. Next, crypto.json. Here we have list of 100 most liquid tickers that we are using. Next, US stocks, similar file, but for stocks market. Then futures and Forex. Let's check our main script. It's here we use FreakTrade package. So here's our strategy class, some logic in short. Then here we have hyperparameters for this strategy, and they're very important because later in the end we will optimize our strategy and find best parameters for each market. Some configurations, our entry conditions, they're quite long, and our exit conditions, they're simple and MA based, and the stop loss. Now let's see visualization of our trading process. So here you can see our price chart with moving average line. So you may see we have a downtrend and then a reversal. And here you can see a candle which we consider an order block. So it's painted here. And let's see, price actually goes up here and then it goes all the way back. And so it returns to order block price zone. So here we expect price to inverse and enter a long trade. And as you can see here, we are lucky and we actually close it only here with some profit. Another example, this time it's futures market and 15 minutes time frame. So you can see we have an uptrend and then we get a reversal, and this candle is an order block. So here it's painted pink. Then price goes down. We expect it to move back here, and it actually gets back to the order block price zone. We enter a short trade and it also ends up with profit. Another example, this time it's an unsuccessful trade. So we see we have some downtrend. Once again, price goes up and then all the way down back to our zone. And as you can see, we enter long trade expecting price to inverse, but actually we hit stop loss here and we don't have any profit, we lose money. Another unsuccessful example, so we can see an order block, then price goes down, returns, we enter short trade, but price continues to rise and we also hit our stop loss and lose money. And the final example, 1 day time frame. So you can see we have a downtrend here, it inverses. Here is our order block price zone, price goes up and then it goes back into the zone. We enter a long trade, but we also instantly hit our stop loss so that we don't make any profit here. Now let's get to the results of backtesting. You can see the command that I run here on top. We start with crypto market, 1 day time frame. Here you can see outputs, some warnings. Then it's a result table with best and worst performing pairs, some stats, and we have a sharp ratio of minus 0.91 and we lost $122. Next, 4 hours time frame, similar outputs, and this time our sharp is -2 and we lost a little bit more than $1,000. Next, we have 1 hour time frame, outputs, and this time we have positive sharp 1.11 and we profited $879. 30 minutes time frame, this time sharp is negative -3.07 and we've lost $1,300. 15 minutes time frame, you can see results table, and this time sharp is -3.56 and we lost $1,600. 5 minutes time frame, our outputs, stats and metrics, and sharp is -16.38 and we lost $4,500, nearly a half. 3 minutes time frame, this time sharp is minus 37, and we lost $2,300. And finally, 1 minute time frame. Our results, you can see we have 21,000 trades. Our sharp is minus 82, which is very low, and we've lost $3,400. Now let's get to the results of stocks market. Once again, starting with 1 day time frame. Here you can see best and worst pairs, stats for all pairs and metrics. And for 1 day, we have negative sharp minus 1.21, and we lost $106. Next 2 hours time frame. Final table. This time positive sharp 0.56, and we've made $17. Next 1 hour time frame. This time negative sharp minus 3.5, and we lost $222. 30 minutes time frame. And our sharp is minus 2.78, and we lost $200. 15 minutes time frame. Our sharp is minus 3, and we've lost $277. 5 minutes time frame. Our sharp is minus 10.45, and we lost $323. And finally, let's check 1 minute time frame. And here our sharp is minus 24.96, and we lost $278.68. Get to futures market. Once again, starting with 1 day time frame. Our results table, some stats and metrics. And here we have positive sharp 1.27, and our profit is $77.5. Next 4 hours time frame. Here our sharp is negative minus 2.5, and we lost $133. 1 hour time frame. Let's see what we got here. And sharp is minus 3.61, and our profit is minus $211. 30 minutes time frame. You can see sharp is negative minus 1.29, and we lost $92. 15 minutes time frame. Here sharp is positive 0.99, and our profit is $74. Next, let's check 5 minutes time frame. Negative sharp minus 0.72, and we lost just $25. Not much. 3 minutes time frame. Sharp is minus 2.5, and we lost just $37. And finally, let's get to 1 minute time frame. Here we have negative sharp minus 0.67, and we lost just $10, which is not very much. Now let's get to our final market, Forex. You can see the command here on top once again, and we will start with 1 day time frame. And we're starting with a positive sharp 0.33, and our profit is $9. 4 hours time frame. Positive sharp 1.19, and our profit is $43. Next 1 hour time frame. Once again positive sharp 0.13, and our profit is just $3. Next, it's 30 minutes time frame. This time sharp is negative minus 1.99, and we've lost $45. Next, we have 15 minutes time frame. Sharp is negative minus 3.36, and we've lost $91. Next, 5 minutes time frame. And we have negative very low sharp minus 11.68, and we lost a little bit more than $100. Finally, let's check 1 minute time frame. Sharp is minus 28, and we lost $140. Now let's also check the results of hyperparameter optimization. So for each market, let's start with crypto market. 4 hours time frame, 300 iterations. So let's get to the results. Here you can see logs, and our best result is $41 profit, which is not really much. Next, let's get to stocks market, 2 hours time frame, same configuration, and best result is $143 profit. Next, let's check 4 hours time frame, futures market. And here best result is just $59 profit, so not much of an improvement. And finally Forex market, also 4 hours time frame. See the best we get from here, and it's just $67 of profit, so not very much. And here you can see the final results, all markets, all time frames. You can see it's mostly red, so we mostly lost money, but there are some green zones, like for example on Forex, on medium frequencies from 1 day to 1 hour, but our profits are small. But on the other hand, if we lose money, we don't often lose much. So if we consider commissions, we may see that we end up at about zero profit. But still, it's not as profitable as it's advertised, so I won't recommend using it as it is.